right, you ready? We gotta turn the candles
The
on.
lighter! The lighter! Freaking lighter.
Chloe, what do you want to accomplish during your 9 years of life? So what are some of your goals this year?
I want to pass 3rd grade. I want to go on more traveling. I want to say happy with I want to spend time with y'all. Once I get very, very old, like a grandma, like I want to say birthday present.
And what else?
And then I just want to live life and be the normal child I am. Hey.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chloe. Happy birthday and many que le muerda, que le muerda. Sí, que le muerda. Que le muerda, que le muerda, que le muerda. What are you doing to her elbow? Okay, open it.
You got me. Dije, feliz cumpleaños. Princesa hermosa. Te amo muchísimo. Vuelo y vuela.
Hey! Wow!
Other Ronald shirt. The whole Hello Kitty. These are the ones I wanted yesterday.
To fire now. Bye. Wait,
I
careful.
got the speaker.
Yeah.
You guys? I shall.
Hold on.
Alright.
You can open your eyes now.
Yes! Yes! I got my baby! Let's go!
What do you have to say, Lorenzo? Chloe, stop. Yes, a lot. Huh?
I'm so tired.
You're so tired?
Yeah, I saw socks.
Okay.
Next month, Papa.
Next is Lorenzo's birthday. Are you excited?
Yay!
How old are you gonna be, Lorenzo?
5.
5. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another video. Actually, it's afternoon. Just kidding. It is Monday, March 24th, I believe. Yeah, March 24th. I have so much to do today. By the way, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a whole vlog because we leave out of town in 2 days, guys. And I woke up this morning and the first thing that happened today at 5 in the morning was Lorenzo was crying hysterically because he had an ear infection about a week ago. He was on antibiotics. And then for some reason, he still has that ear infection. So his ear was hurting so bad this morning. I ended up just taking Chloe to school, taking him to the doctor. He is getting put on a stronger antibiotic. By the way, Lorenzo does have a history of ear infections, and he's gonna be having an ENT appointment May 1st with the possibility of getting tubes in. We don't know what's gonna happen, but it's been going on for a good while. But anyways, today is already gonna be a busy day. I can already tell. I knew it was gonna be a busy day because I have so much to do. I have so much laundry to catch up on. I am currently cleaning Chloe's room. Her room stays so messy no matter how many times a week I clean it and declutter it and vacuum it and all of the things. But right now I am really deep cleaning it, and I'm trying to leave it as clean as possible because we do go out of town on Wednesday, and I want to make sure that my room, her room, and my bathroom spotless clean. I don't want to come back to a dirty room, a dirty house. So I do this every single time that I go on vacation. Like, I try to leave my room, Chloe's room, and my bathroom as clean as possible. That is what I'm doing right now. I have so much load of laundry and I still have to pack. I have not packed a single thing. So I am going to be talking about some Amazon favorites that I recently am packing to this trip. I previously did not do this with my other trips, but I figured since this is a longer trip and it's longer hours in an airplane, I figured I showed you guys some of my Amazon travel favorites. Right now and today, we are just literally going to be deep cleaning this house and packing whatever I can before tomorrow. I still have so much laundry to get done, and this is like probably the thing that I am prioritizing right now because I can't pack anything unless I don't have things washed. I've already made a pile of clothes that I need to wash right here, and then I have all of their neutral color clothes here that I still need to wash as well. I was honestly debating whether just to wash the clothes that need to be washed for the trip, but honestly I don't want anything to be left behind because that's just me. Like, I don't want anything dirty in those baskets by the time that I get back home and having to worry about doing laundry when I get back. So I want to go ahead and get everything out of the way. I don't have very much clothes to put in the wash, and if I do, like, I make sure I wash them, but I let the kids' clothes pile up for weeks, and I know I need to work on that. But you guys know that I live with my parents, so my mom does take forever to do laundry because she leaves things soaking in the laundry washer, so that's why it takes me longer to wash the kids' clothes. But I currently have the kids' clothes in here already. I'm gonna let them soak for about maybe like 10 minutes, then I'm gonna start washing them. Right now I am literally dusting the rooms. I gotta clean this pile right here of junk because I don't know what's in there, but I am literally dusting off any of the shelves, any of Lorenzo's toys. There's Lorenzo. He stayed home because he's sick. Say hi, Lorenzo.
Hi, it's Chuck E. Cheese.
And as you guys can tell, I have already started piling up items that I'm going to be taking with us. I can't wait to pack things on these. I got these from Amazon. I got Chloe some as well. And I really can't wait to try them out. Our clothes are not everywhere in our luggage. So I am so excited to show you guys what I got from Amazon. Another thing that I also like to do before I go on a trip is gather all of like the kids stuff that I've decluttered, and if I see that they are not sellable on my online shops, then I put them in a bin and I take them to Kid to Kid or Once Upon a Child in my case, because Once Upon a Child is literally like down the street from where my parents live. So I take my items there, and just so that I can make some type of money out of those clothes that I know it's gonna take forever for me to sell on my online shops, or they're just clothes that are not really like name brand and I don't think anybody's gonna like actually purchases them. And also during the time that I'm away, I put my online stores on vacation mode because I know I'm not gonna be here for a week. I am not gonna be able to ship anything out. So whatever I can sell these next few days and ship them out before I leave, I will do. But other than that, I have to put my stores on vacation mode. That way nothing delays from people who purchase from me. But yeah, those are like little things that I like to do before my trip, is just declutter everything, take things to Kid to Kid or Once Upon a Child, and that allows me to make at least some type of money for me to be able to buy my kids stuff at our trip. See, I am literally wiping everything down because it does get like really dusty, if you can tell. A lot of these products have been gifted to me. These have been like PR packages. A lot of these are actually expired, so I literally only have them on these shelves for like display or for like, I don't know, just like for decoration, I guess. But a lot of them I do throw out just because they are super like maybe 2 years old. Cleaning up like this one right here from the Skin Better has not been open, and I know this has been with me for 12 months, so I honestly don't plan on using it. This is a gel acid treatment toner and exfoliates and clarifies and smooths the skin. I did put it up for sale, but I don't know if people really know the brand The Skin Better. But honestly, it's never been open, and I don't even know why I didn't try it out. My blades, because I dermaplane myself at home, which I gotta throw these out. Just gotta be real careful with the kids, because put these all the way where they can't reach them. But I'm gonna have to end up taking these back to my suite room, and I have already blocked my scheduling with work, including my personal suite. That way people don't book me. And let me know if you guys are also like me. Do you guys declutter your house and clean before you go on a trip, or do you just leave everything for when you get back? Let me know in the comments, because I feel like I worry about that too much. Like, I don't want to come back to a dirty environment. Let me know if you guys are the same like me.
Hi guys, what did you buy your Chuck E. Cheese? How about the pie? I played the Chuck E. Cheese birthday.
I literally had to change my clothes because it is so hot now. Like, this Georgia weather is just really on to something. And have y'all seen the pollen out there? My car is covered. Now I just finished up dark clothes, and the way that I reserve my kids' clothes is by hanging them. I literally hang about 90% of their clothes. That way they don't lose the color, they don't shrink, you know, they start to fade a little bit. This is how I'm able to resell their items a lot on my online stores, because I serve their color by just like hanging them, because once you put them in a dryer, you're gonna start making the items color just fade. Like, the only things that I literally just put in the dryer are shorts like this, or shorts like this. These really are, they don't really matter. So I just pop them in the dryer. But anything like this, or anything like this, anything that has color, I want to keep them air drying so that they don't shrink and they don't start to look like they're fading. We are finally getting to packing. It is currently what time? What time is it?
It's 10:13.
Finally trying to pack. I have been mentally preparing to pack all day. It is like the least fun thing to do, because not only do I have to pack for myself, I also have to pack for 2 other kids. And like I said, it's mentally draining just thinking about packing. I just literally want to stuff things in there. I wanted to show you guys the suitcase I got, because I did go and get some new suitcases. So I got this Calvin Klein suitcase. It's pretty steep, as you can tell. I'm gonna be packing my clothes and some of Lorenzo's clothes in here. And then right over here, I have Chloe's suitcase, which she's not using the Disney one anymore because the Disney one doesn't move as easily as this one. And I have everything here. Like I said, we still have so many more other laundry that I need to do. Things in that bed, Lorenzo's and mine, and then Chloe has some of her stuff laying there. Of course, she already has like her little makeup that she's got, ready to go. She's got all her skincare products in here.
First, we're going to take an Ultra Dewy Face Cream that is Hello Kitty. We are going to take this Milk Toner Spray. And I got hand cream.
Next.
Smell. I'm sorry.
She begged for bubble, and the only bubble item that I got her was a moisturizer. Like, there was no other item on that bubble shelf that I was gonna get her.
Next, we have a cleanser, which I love this product. It helps my face. Got the hydrating cream to foam cleanser that removes makeup and helps my skin.
Yep.
These
All right, guys, you heard her. She has got her skincare down pat. Literally, all these girls need are 3 things: cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. That is literally it.
I'm getting my nails done for tomorrow.
We are getting my fingernails done by my brother. Say hi, Chris.
Oh yeah, that time you did the middle finger on my video.
And we're gonna go for, what are we going for, Chris? What type of nails are we going for?
Hailey Bieber.
Chris actually inspired me to get my nails like Hailey Bieber. I wanted to go for something simple, cute, and fancy. I was thinking about doing French tips, but he gave me this idea, so we'll see how they turn out.